To finish up the configuration of the Windows Network Load Balancing cluster for my Exchange 2010 Client Access Server array, I'm just going to demonstrate one additional configuration for the situation where we're using Windows NLB with multiple network cards. Now on this first computer, Alan Reed is logged in and he's able to be connected to Microsoft Exchange. Now in my virtual training lab, this computer is within the same subnet as the two servers that form the NLB cluster for the CAS array. This additional computer is in a separate subnet and it's unable to connect to Microsoft Exchange through that load balance CAS array. If I open a command prompt and start a ping, I find that I'm getting no response. So in the real world, it's likely that your clients will be connecting from subnets that are outside of the subnet where the network load balancing cluster exists. So without this additional configuration step that I'm about to show you, you may encounter this issue where they're not actually able to connect. So I'll go over to my Client Access Server SID EX1 to begin with. And from a command prompt, I just run netsh interface IPv4, and we want to set the interface known as NLB, that's the name I gave my interface, and set the forwarding property to enabled. And now I just need to do the same for my other CAS array member. Now let's go back to that computer. We see that we're now actually getting a ping response. I can scroll back up and see that started responding. And if we go back into Outlook and perform the auto discover all over again, the connection is now successful. And I'm able to connect to Outlook, to Exchange through that network load balancing cluster from this remote subnet.